In this video, I'll walk you through on how to create your email capture form, which is to be placed on your lead capture page or your squeeze page. And this is my parabots.com autoresponder system, the script which I install on my own server. And you can get this script by going to parabots.com, parabots.com, and you can get the autoresponder from there, and you can install the script on your server. Then now I'm in the admin area, and I just click on the view autoresponders over here, the options. So assuming that you have already created your autoresponder account, now in order for me to get the form codes, I just click on this icon over here, and now I'm given a series of options for me to choose on what do I want to collect from my subscriber. The first part, and of course the thing that is the most important, is the email address, because it is needed to follow up with the subscriber, and the first name. And you can optionally, you can choose to ask for the last name if you want, and also there are other fields that you can fill in, or you can choose to ask from the subscriber. But be warned that the more options or the more fields that you require from your subscriber to fill in, the less likely they are going to do that process, because it will be much more of a hassle to them. So depending on your marketing strategy, most of the time for most people, giving or asking less information is the best. Some marketers even do not even ask for the first name, they just ask for the email address, because that's how important the email address is, and that's the most easiest way for prospect to subscribe. Just a one-time type of the email address, and that's it. Okay, so I won't be taking on all these fields or on all these check boxes. And over here you have another option if you want to automatically remove the subscriber from the following autoresponder. So for example, if you have another autoresponder, for example test 1, test 2, test 3, test 4, and let's say if the subscriber subscribes on this test autoresponder, you may want to remove them from another autoresponder to avoid duplicate. So I'll just put it as none. And the thank you page URL, you can optionally choose where you want to redirect the visitors to. Normally you will create this thank you page separately on a page and upload it to your server, and then you will enter this URL. So that URL will basically have the thank you page where you thank the subscriber for subscribing, and the subscribe button. So I just type, you can just edit over here, the subscription button message, click here to subscribe. And this is our RSS subscription box. I'll just leave this unchecked. So once everything is ready, just click on the generate form. It's taking quite some time. Okay, there you can see the sample email capture form here, and this is the code. So just copy all the code, right click, press copy, and when I go to my front page, okay, this is an example, a sample squeeze page. So we'll fill in the code below here. We want the form to appear below here, below this line. So I go to my split code, or I can also go to the code view. Let's bring this window up. Okay, so over here I just right click and paste. The code has been pasted, and you can see the table has been pasted, but let's align this to the center. Okay, and let's preview. You can see the form has been placed over here. So similarly, now I'm on my Dreamweaver. Just click here and go to the split code and paste the code here, and again just select this form and align it as center. So let's save this, and I press F12 of my keyboard to preview, and there you go, the form is here. It has been placed. So thank you for watching, and I see you again in the other video series.